Your LG dryer is equipped with an innovative feature and sensor that helps detect moisture in your clothes, known as SensorDry, which functions with the automatic dryer cycle settings. Any SensorDry setting allows your LG dryer unit to understand how wet your clothes are. This moisture sensor will automatically adjust the time on your dry cycle setting for effective and efficient drying performance. This feature aids in the reduction of energy consumption and prevent possible damage to your clothes. For optimum performance, more clothes in general help the sensor detect the moisture contents of your clothes. Be sure to separate and sort by weight and materials to effectively promote optimum drying performance. The moisture sensor is located near the front of the dryer behind the lint trap. It is important that there are enough clothing items tumbling past the sensor for the dryer to effectively measure remaining moisture. For our average load size, the dryer won't have any trouble detecting the moisture contents due to the abundance of clothing items passing through the sensors. However, in certain situations when a very small load or single items are dried, the sensor may not be able to effectively measure moisture of these items due to the lack of contact with the sensor. Use the Time Dry feature for a few articles of clothing to be able to manually control the length of time on your dry cycle. If you ran your small load using any SensorDry setting and notice that your clothes are still damp, please utilize the Time Dry feature and set the time manually. In the future, it may be more effective to increase the size of the load to help the dryer sense better. Baby clothes or small items such as socks should be dried using the Time Dry feature for best results. Your LG dryer makes it easy, efficient, and convenient to customize your drying needs. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.